Take a look at this video.
Want it? Tournament day.
It's hard to believe, but it was created entirely with AI. You can make videos like this too. Watch until the end to learn the step-by-step process for creating your own AI-generated videos. Stay tuned. This is the homepage of JXP. I'll also provide the link in the video description. An advanced AI video generator. JXP allows anyone to turn ideas into videos within seconds, making video creation joyful and accessible. Here, you'll find some of the most advanced video generation models, such as Cdance, Google Veo, Nano Banana, Kling AI, Sweet Dream, and many others, all available in one place. JXP also offers advanced image and video tools, so you can create high-quality images and videos with ease. There's a stock library you can explore, showcasing stunning images and videos generated by JXP. Now, go to the top of the canvas and click on Video. Here, you'll see all the available video generation models. For this video, we'll focus on the HappyHorse model. Click on HappyHorse 1.0. A powerful video generation model that supports text-to-video, image-to-video, reference-driven video, and video editing all in one streamlined studio. To get started, you can upload your own image and add a prompt to describe the video you want to create. You can also adjust the video resolution and duration according to your needs. Let's try the text-to-video feature. Click on Text, then describe your video in the prompt bar. For example, I'll paste a prompt. High-speed cinematic police chase on a busy highway at sunset. Multiple police cars with flashing red and blue lights, and the rest of the prompt will further describe our video. Next, select the resolution. You can choose 720p for HD quality or 1080p for even higher quality. There are different aspect ratios available, so pick the one that best fits your needs. For duration, you can set up to 15 seconds. Once everything is set, press Generate Video. It will take a few seconds to process your prompt and generate the video, so be patient. When the video is ready, let's play it and see what we've created using the HappyHorse text-to-video feature.
Want it? Tournament day.
Wow, amazing. We've created a stunning video with just a simple prompt. Now say goodbye to expensive video generation tools. With JXP, you can download your video for free and share it on different social media platforms. To download, just click Download. Once the download is complete, play the final video and enjoy the results.
Want it? Tournament day.
Creating high-quality videos has never been this effortless. Let's generate another video, this time using the image-to-video feature. Click on Image, then upload an image from your system. Once the image is uploaded, describe your video in the prompt bar. For example, a professional heavyweight boxer aggressively fighting inside a crowded boxing arena, cinematic action scene, and add any additional details you want. Again, select the video resolution and duration, then click Generate Video. Wait a few seconds for the video to be created. Once it's ready, play the video and see the results. Everything looks like a real boxing match. You can download this video as well by clicking Download. After downloading, play the video to see what you've created using HappyHorse. It's truly amazing how easily and effortlessly you can generate high-quality videos with JXP. From now on, say goodbye to expensive AI video generation tools. Make sure to try out this advanced AI video generation platform for yourself. I'll provide the link in the video description. Give it a try and let me know your thoughts in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe AI Ustad 2.0 for more amazing AI tools and tutorials.